Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of N.G. Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Welcome to 10th Math 2nd. Topic number 2nd, Pythagoras Theorem. Hello students, welcome to online lecture of 10th Math 2nd. Student, in 10th Math 2nd, we had started topic number 2nd, Pythagoras Theorem. In last two videos, we had seen what is the Pythagoras theorem, what is the converse of Pythagoras theorem, Pythagorean triplet, what is the Pythagorean triplet, and also we had seen theorems such as Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem, and what is similarity and right angled triangle, and geometry mean. We had seen the theorem based on it. We had already completed exercise 2.1. Now students, in this video we will see some examples in problem set 2. So let's start. See, in problem set 2, page number 43 in your textbook. Question 1 is select the correct alternative is there. You have to select one of the alternative. You can solve yourself. Question number 2 is also easy. I take here question number 3. In triangle RST, angle S is equal to 90 degree, angle T is equal to 30 degree, and RT is equal to 12 centimeter. Then find RS and ST. See students, first we draw the figure. Angle S is given 90 degree. And angle S is given 90 degree. RST. Okay. Angle T is here 30 degree. RT is given 12 centimeter. Then we have to find these two terms. You observe here, this is 30 degree, it is 90 degree, therefore it is 60 degree. So we use here 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree triangle theorem. See, in triangle RST, angle S is given 90 degree and angle T is given 30 degree. Therefore, angle R is 60 degree. Angle R is 60 degree. Okay? Because sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, triangle RST is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. So you know what is the 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle says? The side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse and the side opposite to 60 degree is √3/2 of hypotenuse. Therefore, you can write, I write here, therefore, we write by 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem, we can write, see, the side opposite to 30 degrees, which RS. RS is equal to half into hypotenuse is RT. And the side opposite to 60 degree is ST. ST is equal to √3/2 into hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is here RT. So you write here, therefore, RT is equal to half into, what is the RT is here? 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. Therefore, we get RT as 6 centimeter. Now we will find ST. ST is equal to √3/2 into RT. RT is 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, we get ST is equal to 3√3 centimeter. So we find here RS as 6 centimeter and ST as 3 √3 centimeter.
centimeter. Root 3 upon 2 RT. Sorry, here RT is, see students, here RT is 12. So we get here 6, not 3. 6 root 3. Okay. See question number 4. Find the diagonal of rectangle whose length is 16 centimeter and area is given 192 square centimeter. So students, here you first draw the figure. I draw here the figure. Suppose this is A, B, C, D is the rectangle. Diagonal is given. Rectangle of whose length is given. Length is given 16 centimeter. And area is given 194. We have to find the length of diagonal. Okay. So here first you find it is 16 centimeter. It is 16 centimeter. Area is given. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Base into height. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to B into H. Area of rectangle is breadth into length into width, or you can write as length into width. Area is given 192 is equal to length is given 16. We find breadth. So we get breadth as 192 upon 16. 16 1 is 16, remains 3. 16 2 is 32. So we get B as 12 centimeter. We get breadth as 12 centimeter. Now we get breadth as 12 centimeter. Now we want hypotenuse diagonal. Now in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, we can use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, you can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. So AB means breadth. We had calculated 12 plus BC is 16. 12 square is 144 plus 256. 400. We get AC square as 400. Taking square root on both sides, we get AC is equal to 20 centimeter. So what is AC? AC is the diagonal. So length of diagonal is, therefore length of diagonal is 20 centimeter. Okay, very simple. See question number 5. Find the length of the side and perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose height is given √3 centimeter. See students, what is given here? Equilateral triangle is given. So I have drawn here equilateral triangle whose sides are equal. And height is given. So here draw perpendicular, which is the height. It is given √3 centimeter. Okay. We have to find length of side. This side we have to find, and perimeter. First you find side. Any one of the side. Okay. This is 90 degree equilateral triangle. Therefore each angle is 60 degree. This whole angle is 60 degree. See, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree, and all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Okay. Now in this triangle you observe. Now in triangle A, here you write as B. In triangle ADB you observe angle D is 90 degree, angle B is 60 degree. Therefore angle A means BAD, angle BAD because sum of the all angles of the triangle is 180 degree. So we get angle BAD as 30 degree. So this triangle is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. Therefore, triangle ADB is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. Okay. So here you apply theorem of 30 degree, 90 degree triangle. Therefore, by theorem of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle, you can write as, you will know that 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle theorem. What says it? The side opposite to 60 degree is half is root 3 upon 2 hypotenuse. Okay. Here we take AD. See, side opposite to 60 degree is AD. AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse is here AB. Okay. The side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 hypotenuse. So we had given AD. AD is given root 3 is equal to root 3 upon 2 into AB. So we get AB as root 3 into 2 upon root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. So we get AB is equal to 2 centimeter. We get here side as 2 centimeter. Okay, first we find side. Now you find the perimeter. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 3 into side. From this you write, therefore, side is equal to 2 centimeter. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, we get perimeter as 6 centimeter. Okay. First you draw the figure from this point. Then we get this triangle as 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. You use the theorem and find the side and perimeter. See students, question number 7. In triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Point P is on the base BC such that PC is equal to 1 upon 3 BC. If AB is given 6 cm, find AP. Student, we try to first draw figure. Suppose this is the equilateral triangle ABC is given. This is the equilateral triangle. Point P is on the base BC such that, see here point P is there, so that PC is equal to 1/3 of BC. And if AB is given 6 cm, means all these sides are 6 cm. We have to find AP. Okay. So here we take construction and draw. This is perpendicular D. See, draw. Here you draw BD perpendicular to the base BC. Okay. Now observe here, PC is equal to 1/3 BC. Given that PC is equal to 1/3 BC. So we get PC as 1 upon 3. What is the PC? 6. So we get PC as 2 centimeter. Here PC we get 2 centimeter. We have to find AP. See, we have to find here AP. How we find AP? Here we use the Pythagoras theorem for finding AP. So we must know AD and DP. Okay, we must know AD and DP. So we find first AD and then DP. Okay. How to find ADC? It is equilateral triangle, so this is 60 degree. It is also 60 degree, so it becomes 30 degree. See, in triangle ADB, angle ADB is equal to 90 degree, and angle ABD equal to 30 degree because sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so we get this as 30 degree. So this is 30 degree, therefore triangle ADB is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. Therefore, you apply this theorem, the side opposite to 60 degree means here side opposite to 60 degree is AD. Therefore, AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse is here AB by theorem of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. Okay. So here we will find AD. Therefore, we get AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 into what is AD? 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. So we get AD as 3 root 3 centimeter. We find AD. Now we have to find DP. Okay, we find now DP. See here, it is 2 centimeter. Okay, how to find DP? Student, here see DC, it is 90 degree, 60, so it is 30 degree. So we find DC as DC is 30, opposite side is half of hypotenuse AC. Okay, half into 6. 3 ones are 3, 2 ones are 2, 2 3 are 6. So we get DC as 3 centimeter. Okay, now we find DP plus PC is equal to DC. What is DP? We don't know. DP plus what is PC? 2 is equal to 3. So we get DP is equal to, we get DP as 1 centimeter. Okay, this is 1 centimeter and this is AD is 3 root 3. Now you apply Pythagoras theorem. Now in triangle ADP, angle ADP is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we write as AP square is equal to AD square plus DP square. AD square plus DP square. What is the value of AD? We have calculated 3 root 3 square plus DP 1 square. 3 3s are 9 into root 3 square is 3 plus 1. 9 3s are 27 plus 1. So we get AP square as 28. Okay, you factorize this. AP square is equal to 4 7s are 20. Taking square root on both sides, we get AP is equal to square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 7 is 7. So we get value of AP as 2 root 7 centimeter. Okay. See students, question number 11. In triangle ABC, angle BAC is given 90 degree. Segment BL and segment CM are medians of triangle ABC. Then do that. 4 into bracket BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. So we first draw figure. Here triangle ABC is drawn. Angle A is given 90 degree. BL and CM. See, BL and CM are medians. Suppose this is BL. This is the median. Median म्हणजे मध्यगा दोन समान भाग. And CM is the median is given. Suppose this is point M. These two are same. Okay. Then we have to prove that BL square plus CM square. BL and CM. See here BL and here CM. Here BL square is there. So here for this triangle. See. For this triangle we use the Pythagoras theorem. And then next for this triangle we use the Pythagoras theorem. We want CM. Okay. So see, first in BL. Okay. In triangle ABC, you write first segment BL and segment CM are medians. Therefore, you write as AL is equal to LC is equal to half AC and AM is equal to BM is equal to half AB. Okay? You write in this way. You call this as equation number first. Now, in triangle, which triangle we want? BL. In triangle. Now, in triangle BAL, angle BAL is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, you can write as BL square is equal to AB square plus AL square. You call this equation number first. Now CM, where is CMC? In this triangle. Now in triangle MAC, angle MAC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, you can write as CM square is equal to AC square plus AM square. AC square plus AM square. You call this equation number second. See, we have to do this. असं बघताना आपल्याला अवघड वाटते, पण काय अवघड नाही आहे. इथं BL स्क्वेअर आहे म्हणून पायथागोरस थेरम वापरून BL स्क्वेअर काढला. CM स्क्वेअर आहे म्हणून इथं पायथागोरस थेरम वापरून CM स्क्वेअर काढला. ओके. Now there is addition of BL square and CM square. So we add equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. We get, see what we get, BL square plus CM square is equal to AB square plus AL square plus AC square plus AM square. Okay, AB square plus AC square. Now we want BC square. Okay, so we write in this way. See here, AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square is nothing but BC square. You write for this BC square. Okay, now see AL. AL is half of AC. AL, you write AL as half of AC square. Okay, and here AM as, you write AM as half of AB square. Okay, understand? AB square plus AC square is BC square. AL is half of AC and AM is half of AB. You write this from equation first. Okay, so we get BC square plus 1 by 4 AC square plus 1 by 4 AB square. So here denominator is 4, you multiply both sides by 4. Multiply both sides by 4. We get 4 into bracket BL square plus CM square is equal to 4 BC square. Here 4 get cancelled. AC square plus AB square. Okay. So here 4 BC square as it is. AC square plus AB square is nothing but BC square. You write for this as BC square. So you get 5 BC square. So final answer is 4 into bracket BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 BC square. Okay. बघा दिसायला अवघड दिसते, पण आपण दोनदा पायथागोरस थेरम वापरायचा आहे आणि सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं आहे. ओके, सो स्टुडंट्स, in this video we had seen some examples in problem set 2. Remaining example you solve yourself. Here the topic is also completed. There is some reduction part, 25% reduction part. This part I had not tell you. Okay, so you in this video or in this topic you remember first Pythagoras theorem statement and converse of Pythagoras theorem and its statement. Then similarity of right angle theorem, you take the theorem proof and examples, and geometrical mean theorem and example on it. You remember only these four things, and last one is the Pythagorean triplet. The examples are based on Pythagoras theorem, converse, Pythagorean triplet, सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल. राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल असेल आणि हायपोटेन्यूसवर जर परपेंडिक्युलर ड्रॉ केलं असेल तर आपण सिमिलॅरिटी ऑफ राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल वापरू शकताय किंवा जॉमेट्रिक मीनचा वापर करू शकताय. जो परपेंडिक्युलर आहे त्याचा स्क्वेअर हा राहिलेल्या दोघांच्या प्रोडक्ट एवढा येतो. ओके, ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स वी हॅड कवर्ड इन दिस टॉपिक. ओके, सो युअर टुडेज होमवर्क इज ट्राय टू सॉल्व एक्झाम्पल्स इन प्रॉब्लेम सेट 2 in your notebook. Okay, today we will stop here. See you in the next video.